Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate it. And if you are new and if this is your first time here, let me know in the comment section below how you found me, and thank you for coming here. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, some travel vlogs, and most importantly, wig reviews. So at the end of this video, if you like what you see, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, so today I am reviewing Outre's lace front wig. It's a pre-plucked lace parting with natural baby hairs, HD transparent lace, heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees, in the style GRETA. And this is what the card looks like. This unit is so different. I like it. It's cute. It's so cute. I got it in the color ginger brown. I have been feeling the browns lately. I guess because it's fall, there's like a lot of different kind of browns, and I am loving it. This is what the back of the card looks like. And I got this unit from Wig Types for only $23. Yes, you heard correctly. $23. And I am just loving this color. I'm going to come closer so you guys can see. This color is just so freaking pretty. I love it. It's like an auburn, you know? Yeah, it's kind of like an auburn color with like mixed highlights. It's so cute. And there is also a $2 upcharge for specialty colors, so make sure you guys keep that in mind. But I am loving this. So there's 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, and it is big head friendly. Yes, you heard correctly, it's big head friendly. And it was like a plop and go. The only thing that I did was lay down some of the baby hairs, and that's because it's not the same color as my natural hair. If I would have got it in a 1B, I probably would have just kept my real baby hairs out because I do have some underneath. But the baby hairs was so easy. Honestly, I didn't have to do much. I just took a little bit of them, like a tiny little bit, and I laid them down. As you guys can see, I went in with my lace tint underneath and I sprayed at a distance, and I used my MAC press powder and a little brush, and I just went in with the part, and that was it. These baby hairs right here actually aren't laid, but the little curl to it looks so nice and natural. I am loving it. Now let's talk about the rest of it over here. I didn't do anything. I mean, the hair falls down over my face, so I just didn't feel like anything needed to be done. This was like an easy slay, like an easy plop and go, and you guys know I love me some easy units. As far as shedding, there's a little bit of shedding, not too much. There are a few strands coming out. Tangling, not as of yet. I just took it out the package, and the shorter units do tend to last longer, so that's a plus. They last longer. And this is more like a bob unit. Like if you see the girl on the card, it is kind of slanted a little bit. Even on the back, her hair is kind of slanted. So I'm going to show you guys the back. You let me know if it's kind of slanted. It feels like it's slanted. So yeah, it is on the angle a little bit, so it is kind of like a, you know, like a slanted bob unit. And I really liked how on the card the girl had the hair tucked behind her ear, so I did go with that little bit of a look, and that's pretty much it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. How do you feel about this unit? But before we go, I do have 2 black businesses that I want to highlight really quick. My husband and I started our own business on Amazon. It's called Arch Fit. We sell cooling towels. You wet the towel, you wring it, and you shake it out, and it keeps you cool. So if you work out, you go to the gym, do yoga, if you like to go to amusement parks or travel to hot places, this will keep you cool. Every person that has purchased this, they said they love it. We're going to be using this at the end of the month on our vacation. And my mother wrote a children's book. It's called Adventures of Sable Brown. It's about a younger girl and her brother taking a closet adventure into the African safari. The link to that will be listed below as well. Everything that I used in this video as far as hair care products, my combs, itch control, all that stuff will be listed in my Amazon links listed below, so make sure you guys check that out. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Drop some comments below and let me know what you think about this color, this unit, the curl pattern, all of that. I love to engage with everyone. And don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.